it breathes.
It breathes? Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Can I see what you got first? Mainly a box. There you go. Did this slide in? Okay.
Well, actually, they built it into the truck. So
oh, like that. Okay, I got it. Wow, all the trunk work. And something down here. Sorry, I didn't mean to get in your way. Looks really good. Wow. Did you build this?
No, Expensive Audio did it.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, we'll talk inside. So could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Charles Custody. I got two Z515s, a JP 63.5 on what's running my doors. I can't do 32 by JP 32 by 2, and then the tweeters and stuff have the JP 84.
Okay. Is this a fourth order or ported? Fourth. So the box, you kind of can't see anything because it's built efficiently to have the cabin breathe in here. But is it sealed? Fourth order? Okay. Nice. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Did you go from a ported box to a fourth order, or did you start with fourth?
I had 610s in here first in a ported box. Then I went to what did I do after that? The 4. No, I just had 115 in here.
Okay.
So then we just switched it over to this because I want to try something different.
Yep.
So I'm building a Tahoe, but that probably won't be done until next year.
Okay. And going with the band pass, you notice anything drastically different from the rest of them?
Oh yeah, it breathes.
It breathes? Okay. Good to know. Yeah, I do a lot of YouTube, JacobViral. I'm sure you've seen some of them. I love car audio, man. And it's hard to open. I'll get it. I'm pretty experienced with opening doors. I've opened like 10,000 of them. Maybe not that many. All right, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Sorry for all the info. Cook it up.
BBS is in my tennis brushes. Could've bought my mama a hey wheel. Bad bitches all in my DM. I hope my hoe never see them. I know she probably gon' leave me. Fuck it, I'm still gonna beat me. None of these niggas can't beat me. Breaking the house for a TV. Now they see me all on TV. BBS is in my tennis brushes. Could've bought my mama Mercedes. Fuck all that bullshit, keep cool with it. I ain't tryna suicide. Everybody go get down, they man. Got your bitch out of my nose. Shoot up to this, but you blew it. They don't tell me they all blue. Whoever thought I would do this? Told them I'm Rugas. Money too long for a room. Money ain't food. Now I spend rest on my doodle. I'll say with me be this beetle. They thinking we got nothing to look up. Network 1 million, can't look up. They talking down my mama. That bullshit crazy. Could've bought my mama Mercedes. That bullshit keep me a forklift. Dressed in all white like some cool whip. Coopish. You had a chance, but you blew it. They gon' tell me they all blue. Whoever thought I would do this. Told them I already knew this. Skin on Glock out on Rugas. Money pull up for a room. Money same size of the Cooper. I used to trap on the scooper. Yeah. I used to surf on a scooter. Spend racks on my truck. I said what make me this nigga. They thinking we got the hook up. Network on me, you can look up. Say it, my mama. Fuck all that bullshit, keep cool with it. I ain't tryna to a slave. Everybody go get down, they man. Got your bitch in my nose. Two the things, but you blew it. They gon' tell me they all blue. Whoever thought I would do this. Told them I'm Rugas. Money too long for a room. Money ain't something to say it. Say my mama. Fuck all that bullshit, keep cool with it. I ain't tryna to a slave. Everybody go get down, they man. Got your bitch in my nose. Two the things, but you blew it. They gon' tell me they all blue. Whoever thought I would do this. Told them I'm Rugas. Money too long for a room. Money ain't cool with it. I ain't tryna to a slave. Everybody go get down, they man. That bullshit keep me up for a clip. Dressed in all white like some cool.
I see what you mean by breathing, allowing you to feel the pressure of the wind and the bandwidth and all of that. So thank you for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I do a lot of YouTube, JacobViral. I'm sure you've seen some of them. I love car audio, man. And it's hard to open. I'll get it. I'm pretty experienced with opening doors. I've opened like 10,000 of them. Maybe not that many. All right, man. You have a good day. Thank you very much.